She got her head all twisted. What the hell, man? Do that straight, you know?
Currently got my little sister locked in my dog's crate.
Be quiet! I will make it out somehow. Stop clicking!
Big on, baby.
Can you please just let me out? I'm gonna suffocate in here.
You can't suffocate.
Door has a bunch of holes in it. What the hell?
The only way you'll suffocate is if you have a panic attack and don't breathe. So you might want to keep breathing and don't have a panic attack.
Ew, don't lick my leg. No!
I want you to figure it out on your own.
Shut up.
I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, you almost got it. The bottom one needed to come up a little bit more. Hey, don't hit my dog. Come on.
I did. I hit the crate.
Yeah, and it scared her.
Hey, I scared her. I didn't hit her.
Okay. You got this. You just gotta be.
Shut up!
I think your voice could go up a couple more layers.
It's like stuck.
Okay, now it's not. Now you fix it. Okay. It does get stuck even from the outside, so. Almost.
Dude, I keep
Will you
doing
just get her out of there? Holy crap.
No, this is
annoying.
fun. This is fun for my YouTube channel.
I'm getting annoyed watching her.
Okay, you almost got it, Caitlin. There you go. Almost. Oh, come on.
Shut up, Mom.
You can do it.
No, I can't. Let me out.
You can do it.
See, you keep scaring my dog. Okay.
Use your middle finger. That's it. Caitlin!
This is going on YouTube. You know that. You're 12. Stop it. Okay. Take a deep breath. Use strategy. You gotta think about it.
No, you don't. You just gotta let her out.
So it would be a waste of 3 minutes for people to watch if she didn't get herself out of it. You know that, right?
That's why you're not gonna post it.
Yeah, I am.
No, you're
Still gonna post it. Thank you.